For today's 50k special episode, my legs have turned into tandoors. I've gotten the perfect road for this bike, man. Alright, another day, another ride. I am very excited for this one because I have to address the elephant in the room here. That's right, the Trident 660. For today's 50k special episode, we have with us the Triumph Trident 660. And where we are going, that's also a special place. It's a weekday. I've specially taken an office leave for this ride. So you might have gotten an idea of how special this ride is. And yeah, I'm super duper excited for riding with the Trident. Ooh, and I'm a bit anxious as well, not gonna lie, because with great power comes great responsibility as well, dude. I just need to get out of the city as soon as possible, and that's gonna be a task considering the engine is not really happy in traffic. Man, I've already started my review, god damn it. But yeah, considering its engine size, it is obviously not going to be happy in traffic, so, and in such beautiful roads as well. So I need to get out of the city as soon as possible. The only problem here is I need to be very careful with speed bumps, because this is a very low bike. This is so smooth, man, so butter smooth. Like, I've promoted myself from a single cylinder to directly a triple cylinder engine. Of course, I don't own this bike, for the record. It's just for me celebrating 50,000 subscribers on this channel. God damn it, this was really unexpected. I did not in my wildest dreams think of people that do 50,000 in numbers wanting to watch what I do. This is absolutely insane, man, absolutely insane. And today's ride is quite a big ride, because it's going to be about 150 kilometers, and it's big because I'm not really sure about my dynamics with this bike yet. I haven't really gotten used to. Of course, I've ridden it in the city and about 50 kilometers, so I have like broken into it, but there's still a much of getting used to this riding position, the foot pegs and everything. Of course, the power. I still can't believe the amount of power I have between my legs right now. That's what she said. But this is absolutely powerful, dude. Brutal power, brutal. For a guy upgrading from a classic 350, anything you ride is powerful. But no, I actually give so much to my bike, man. I shouldn't be doing that. But anyway, jokes apart, yeah, that's a considerable upgrade. Like, let's talk horsepowers. Maybe the Royal Enfield Classic 350 has about what, 25 horsepower. This has got freaking 81 horsepower, man. That's insanity. I need to overtake this guy, this boring, and that's very easy for me because I've got a 660cc under me. I haven't even pulled 10% of the throttle yet. Also, I've kept the second meter at the temperature, engine temperature, and you can see the temperature rising up right now, because I'm really riding very slow right now as per this bike standard. So I need to bring my pace up, not here of course, let it heat as much as it wants, but I need to increase my pace a bit for it to cool down. Big bike problems, first world problems. Alright, I better get out of this rut before I start talking to you guys again. So I'll see you guys later on once I'm out of this.
A few inches later.
Alright, a little freedom. Not yet out of the city, of course. I'm still at Powai. But yeah, there's a little breathing space for this bike. And my legs have already started cooking. So there's that. But there's considerably less traffic compared to yesterday. Yesterday I rode on the same route, but it was very, very crowded yesterday. And that was in the evening. So that again was a bonus. Office timings. Alright, time for me to launch. You ready for it? This is going to be fun. This is going to be absolutely fun.
बैठो बेटा, बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में.
Well, there's traffic for it. How did I forget the traffic, man?
A few inches later.
Mini Cooper. God damn. Look at that. It's the Countryman edition, of course. The bigger version. Damn. Why is the logo so boring though? It's a superb looking car. Oh, my legs have turned into tandoors.
एकदम hot है.
The heat it is throwing right now. I mean, as per, of course, single cylinder, normal CC class bikes. That's quite a lot. I've never ridden a liter class bike, so I don't really know what actual heat means, but as per my standards, this is quite hot. हाँ, रेडिएटर ही है वो. हाँ, लिक्विड कूल्ड है ना. Well, big bike things. Alright, finally some breathing space for the bike to open up a little bit. Okay, in 600 meters I'm supposed to take a right. Just when I thought I'm finally getting a highway, this is not actually the highway I'm supposed to go at. I'm just waiting for those open roads, dude. I can't contain my excitement. Oh. That was a nutcracker. Oh man, that suddenly came out of the blue. That hurt, dude. That actually hurt. Man, oh man, this bike has torque. I lifted it up at second gear. What did I say about breathing space, huh? Okay, now we are talking. Yep, right on both the lanes. You have the luxury to choose whichever you want. I can see the temperature go down. We've reached at the top speed. Just kidding. I'm nowhere close to the top speed right now. But the Royal Enfield? Sure. I shouldn't be giving so much to my bike, dude.
मुझे हर्ट हो रहा है बिग बॉस.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ. मैं आपकी पावर है, तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
That felt really good. That was the adrenaline for the day, the start of it. Okay, these roads are very, very risky. I need to really watch out. Look at those deadly potholes, dude. What if you are at some 100 or 80 maybe, even 80 kilometers per hour and you go over such potholes? What is going to happen to you?
Khatam.
That's exactly why those potholes are here in the first place.
Hello there.
Because these are speed limiters, guys. Speed breakers are too underrated, and speed breakers are a 1920 thing now. This is 2021 and potholes are the new speed limiters.
आप chronology समझ लीजिए.
Can't tell you how good this feels, man. The engine is so fucking smooth. Even the downshifts feel so good. There goes my underbelly, man. This is the only thing I'm concerned about of this bike. God damn it. And I'm in Badlapur, the town of speed breakers. Let's have a montage for speed breakers as well now, shall we? What is this weird design of a speed breaker, man? That's some new innovative style. Whew. Here comes this traditional one. My biggest fear is if an animal just comes in the middle of the road, out of the blue. That's the worst kind of situation I can be in.
I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you. And when did I tell you? A long time ago.
Just another day in India. This is exactly what I fear. I better ride on the middle of the road so that I have enough space to move either way. How did I forget? There is oncoming traffic as well. I'm dying either way. This feels kind of good and kind of scary as well at the same time. Because I'm actually only worried about animals only. This is surely gonna scare. Yep. Did kiss it a little bit. Alright, I guess now's the time. Roads are such, I'll reach in 2 minutes to it. Oh, this road is so beautiful, man. Where am I going to? Yeah, I forgot to tell you that, right? I'm going to Malchej Ghat. Yep, the place is also as special as the ride. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun. And I've booked this very beautiful place. Lakeside, of course. Like we had been to Bhandardara, this is also going to be almost the same. Man, this bike is so smooth. And overtakes are not really an issue. So much fun. I've gotten the perfect road for this bike, man. Perfect. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me, because the mic, really skeptical about the mic. There's a speed breaker over here.
Bonus.
There's absolutely no one in any of these tents. It feels very, very peaceful. You ready?
Such a beautiful place, man. Just scenic all over. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. This is like a dream ride for everyone, man. There's so much gratitude in my mind right now. Look at how beautiful it looks, man.
So please, whatever. Please, I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, Sarapakara. Yes.